With everything happening in our country right now, there are a lot of questions that come to our mind. And the nation wants to know, who stole the cookie from the cookie jar?
Stephanie stole the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. Then who? We'll get to know at the end of the video. By the way, hi guys, welcome to episode 5 of Bewitched and Baked. Today we're gonna make something very comforting. We're gonna bake chocolate chip cookies. Yum! And I have a secret ingredient that's going to help take these cookies to the next level. So, let's get to it! Add your pre-measured butter to your bowl with your brown sugar and castor sugar mixture. Time to reveal our secret ingredient. And our secret ingredient is, drum roll, Horlicks. Classic malt. What this does is it enhances the flavor by adding these toasty tones to your cookies, and it also helps enhance the color. That's why secret ingredient. Add your vanilla extract and beat your mixture till everything is incorporated evenly. Add in your egg and beat till everything looks light and fluffy. Meanwhile, sift your flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt together in a separate bowl and add this in 2 parts, mixing till combined. So what I've done here is I've chopped up my dark chocolate slab into tiny bits because I honestly prefer the taste of this compared to your regular chocolate chip. Add this bowl of yumminess to your dough and mix on low. Cling wrap your dough and refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours. Now it's time to eat this one cookie that I'm left with from the entire batch because somebody else got the cookies from the cookie jar. It wasn't me. Who was it? It was my dad, who's a cookie addict. And he got the entire batch. How lucky is he? And this episode was dedicated to my father, who's the biggest cookie lover ever. Now it's time to sample this one cookie that I'm left with. Have a look at that. Look at the texture. Oh, you can't see the texture yet, but it smells yummy. It does smell a little like Horlicks, but I think that has its own charm to it. Let's break it. A nice sound. Can you hear that? I don't like to praise what I bake, but that is delicious. Okay. It's very good. I should have saved some more cookies for me. Go give it a try at home and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget the secret ingredients. Bye! See you next time! It's so bloody good.